Hi, everybody. Anthony Tony Bried here with Smart RE Solutions with a save the date. On February 11th from 10:30 to 12:30 p.m., I'm hosting a class called Pitch Perfect: Creating Mobile Listing and Buying Presentations that Win Clients. In this class, what we're going to be able to do is create a presentation using one of the many tools that are out there, from PowerPoint to Keynote to Canva. So we're going to touch on those topics. We're going to go over some elements that should be in a presentation to help develop a conversation. And then, of course, given some time, we're going to go over a quick demo that you're going to be able to walk away with. That way you can modify either a listing or a buyer presentation. And then that way we can come up with some fun conversation. So this class on February 11th, what you want to do is you want to register for that class. And I'm going to put up the QR code right about now so you can scan it. This is a free class to all OC Realtor members. So scan that QR code, log into ocrealtors.org's website, and register for that class.